So we are going to start the silly season sort of early. And this one is depending on where you get your information. I guess it's going to be what side you follow on. Depending on Steve Mathis on the 29th of March said lots of talk about Sexton to Cowie, and while it might happen, nothing is done yet. On the 30th, we have Lewis Phillips saying, quote, Chase told me straight up that he has not signed for 2026 and the rumors are not true. Obviously, there are multiple options. Nothing is done yet. Obviously, Chase Sexton, big name, going to be a big contract. And with the sort of, I guess, fixed problems at KTM, or at least they have a plan to fix the problems. Who knows about development speed and or budgets, what he could technically get. And if you missed it, well, that might be the bike he's taking. I think that's the rumor going around that Anderson is going to be out and Kawasaki and Sexton could move over there. Now, obviously, he's very outspoken about bike problems and has always said it about the KTM. So who knows? If he moves over to Kawasaki, is he going to be happier with that? Obviously, it's going from an Austrian brand and their frame back to a Japanese bike. Honda back to KTM, back to Kawi. Who knows? It'd be a big move. Obviously, he's a big name. He's a championship contender, title contender at, well, any year at this point while he's still in the absolute prime. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Now, obviously, there are multiple options. We have Ducati coming in, so who knows about that timing. There's also the Triumph 450. I don't know when that one's technically going to be legal or rule compliant with the AMA for them to be racing it. So there are two major bikes coming in, two major teams coming into the 450 side of things, and we'll see where he falls. I mean, he is one of the biggest names at the moment. You're pretty sure Tomac, like he said, is semi-retiring, gone. Webb probably staying with Cowie, or not Cowie. Webb probably staying with Yamaha. Justin Cooper, who knows? There's going to be a lot of people, like a lot of change. And you think the next, what, 3-4 years, you're going to have a lot of people retiring. Talking Barsha, Roxon, Anderson, Webb, if he stays. There's a lot of, I don't want to say older guys, but technically older guys in the 450 class. And someone like Chase, who's on the younger side, when you think he is, what, 20? Actually, I don't know. I'm going to look this up. Before I give you the answer, since I didn't know and I am now looking at it, comment down below. How old do you think he is without looking? Just, pure fun. Comment and let's see who's right. I'll give you a couple seconds. He is 25, born in 1999, so he is still well into the prime of his career. You think Webb is 29, still racing, so 30. Tomac is 32, still racing. You've got another 5 to 7 good years if he stays healthy, if he doesn't get hurt, and well, depending on how the bike underneath him works too. But it's the kind of thing, the more day by day, I've been seeing this rumor of him going to Kawasaki, and it's from multiple people, multiple sides of things. Maybe it's not true. Maybe he stays with KTM. Maybe he goes to a completely different team. Who knows? And we're just gonna have to wait and see, I guess. I mean, it's exciting because he is right now in the title fight. If he can stop making the stupid little mistakes, he could technically still win. And if he wins this year and then moves over to a different team for next year, wouldn't look very good for KTM that he doesn't believe he can do it again or doesn't want to be on that team. And we'll see where this goes. I mean, obviously, it's just a rumor at the moment. Like I said, you've got Pulp Max saying one thing, Lewis Phillips saying another thing, and like they're just rumors until something is actually confirmed, until we have a contract or some party comes out and says, nope, it is true, we have signed this, or, we have talked about that. We'll end up seeing. This one, we'll leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Does he go to Cowie? Does he go to a different team? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.